Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the French door mullion in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new French door mullion and a door holder. The French door mullion is mounted on the right side of the left French door. It latches the door into the door holder, keeping it closed. It has a built-in mullion heater and 3 hinges that allows the mullion to turn 90 degrees when it gets in and out of the door holder. The main reason for the French door mullion to be replaced is if the hinges break, causing the French doors not to close properly, or the heater burns out, causing condensation to build up on the mullion. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. To remove the French door mullion, we need to first open it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to take out the steel screws that holds that center bracket. And now we're going to lift up on the mullion to clear the bottom and the top brackets. Okay, so we're going to pull out the wires and disconnect the plug. This is the old French door mullion next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new French door mullion, we're going to first connect the plug and place it into the opening here. And then we're going to install the hinges, upper and lower. Please note that the old one had the spring and the new one has a built-in spring. So we just need to open the hinge. And same thing, open the top hinge. And we're going to start sliding it down on the top and the bottom, all the way down. And then we can put this into the cutout, put the wires in, out of the way, and press it in, and push it back. There's a tab on the back, it has to lock. And now we can secure it with the 2 Phillips screws. The door holder is kept in place by 2 Phillips screws. So I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver and remove that couple of screws. And so we can take off the door holder. And to place a new door holder on the ceiling, and we're going to secure it with 2 Phillips screws. I'm going to install both of them before tightening the screws so we can see where it's going to be inserted. And then we can tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Before closing the door, we need to close the mullion, and then we can close the door. Open it just to check how it works. And we can close the second door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.